Welcome to our video, where I will show you how to use wellness shots for optimum health. Let's get into it, shall we? These immune-boosting shots are my family's trusty recipe for immune boosting. So easy to make to give you a boost of energy and help keep your immune system healthy and strong. Combine these powerful immune system boosting ingredients together to give your body strength this cold and flu season. Cold season is here in full swing, and a few things our family does to stay healthy and speed up the healing process is by making our own bone broth, healthy smoothies, and immunity-boosting shots. What I love about this immune-boosting drink is that it only contains 6 ingredients, which are all easy to find. You can use this formula year-round for an easy and natural immunity boost. This recipe contains powerful ingredients that work together to boost your immune system. It is also alcohol-free, paleo-friendly, and is really easy to make. And the great thing about this simple recipe is that it makes 4 shots, which is enough for the whole family. Or you can make a smaller batch, just by cutting back on the ingredients. We make these healthy cold buster shots every day, whenever there is something going around our kids' school, or when they feel like they're coming down with something. It helps to build up vitamins and minerals in your body while you're sick, or to prevent illness. How to make immune-boosting shots. To make the cold buster concoction, start by adding warm water to a large glass bowl or measuring cup. Add honey and mix with a whisk until dissolved. Add the grated ginger and use a handheld citrus juicer to squeeze in lemon juice. Sprinkle in turmeric and black pepper. Adjust the honey to taste. This recipe makes 4 shots. Raw honey is unheated, unpasteurized, and unprocessed. It will contain bee pollen and propolis, which are very good for you. Bee pollen contains tons of vitamins, and propolis is immune system boosting. Turmeric. Turmeric is high in fiber, manganese, vitamin B6, and iron, and also anti-inflammatory. Black pepper. A dash of black pepper is essential to activate the effects of turmeric. Organic ginger root. Ginger helps to reduce nausea, boost the immune system, and has antimicrobial effects that can help fight off bacteria, and may help reduce the risk of respiratory infections. Organic apple cider vinegar. Organic apple cider vinegar, make sure it contains the mother, can help to boost your immune system because of its antiviral properties. ACV can improve the overall growth of healthy bacteria in your gut, which is a huge factor in a healthy immune system. Fresh lemons. Lemons are high in vitamin C, along with vitamin B6 and vitamin A. Vitamin C is crucial to keeping your body healthy and fighting off illness, and can also help to shorten the length of your cold. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.